how to view payouts and earnings in the Ubereats app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you wondering how much you have earned on the Ubereats app? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly where to find your daily earnings, completed trips, and payout details in the Ubereats driver app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, start by opening the Uber Driver app on your phone. And now here, make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the earnings tab at the bottom of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you will see a weekly earning summary. And it shows your total earning for the week, including tips, promotions, and trip payouts. So here to see details for a specific day or trip, you can just tap on that day and you'll get a breakdown of how much you have earned for each delivery. And you can scroll down and tap on payouts to see when your earnings were sent to your bank or card. You can also track the upcoming deposits. And here, if you want faster access to your earnings, you can tap on Instant Pay and follow the steps to link your debit card, and you can cash out instantly for a small fee. And that's it. That's how you can check your earning and payouts in the Uber Eats app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.